Okay, so look, complexity isn't always bad. You want your wine to be complex, right? And you want your mystery novels to be complex. But when it comes to your network, complexity is bad. Seriously, your network is convoluted enough as it is. You're trying to design next-generation networks based on 30-year-old protocols. That's like trying to put a jet engine on an '81 Honda. And you're locked into this hardware vendor or that one. And you need to be agile. You're in the cloud now, right? You're supposed to be spawning nodes on demand and allocating your resources on the fly up there in cloud land. But you're still running into the same old bottlenecks, just on a larger scale. Because today's network wasn't designed to be intelligent and flexible. It was only designed to be resilient, which means you've got to duct tape all your network logic to your data. And that means your network policy is fixed while your business needs are constantly changing. So now you're dealing with layers upon layers of complexity and protocols that were never meant to run on top of TCP/IP. So your network map looks like a bowl of bargain ramen. And you're supposed to be supporting the next generation of applications and services with the last generation of tools? That's not gonna fly. What if you didn't have to rely on those old protocols anymore? What if you weren't bound by the constraints of your hardware? What kind of networks would you design if you could start from scratch? Welcome to the next generation of network technology and design. The OpenFlow standard makes these questions possible, and NEC's programmable flow lets you answer them with the next generation of networking. OpenFlow liberates your network from your hardware and paves the way for programmable flow. Because after all, it's your hardware. Then, programmable flow puts you in control so that your network can keep pace with your business. So you get the network you want instead of the one you're stuck with. Programmable flow is revolutionary. You can build cloud networks that scale from a single rack up to an entire data center, or even across data centers. And you can add capacity as needed without requiring changes to your network configuration. All your switches follow your centralized policy, so it's just like managing one super switch. Programmable flow gives you multi-tenancy. You get all the scalability of cloud computing, but you finally get to call the shots. And programmable flow gives you real network virtualization. Now you can program your network the same way you program your IT resources. You can manage IP addresses, administer access control, reroute traffic, all from a central API. So now you can spend your time innovating instead of managing your network. And once your policy controls your traffic, you'll be so nimble you'll be the envy of all your competitors. They'll still be using duct tape while you're meeting your needs on the fly. Hey, simpler is better. And programmable flow is the simple solution for complex networks. Contact NEC to learn more about programmable flow.